What's up, you bunch of potato whores? Time for the gourmet baked potato. It's got ricotta cheese, it's got tomatoes, and so, what you're gonna need, 2 fucking potatoes. Cherry tomatoes. These particular ones are lakeside. They got a nice little picture of the fucking tomatoes and some greens and some fucking fresh thyme. Ricotta cheese. And then I would like to ask you all, if you have the time, blow me. Get your fucking oven going up to 400 degrees. They go in the oven and they're gonna stay in there for about an hour. Baked potatoes take forever. It's a pain in the balls. You put them in, you drink some wine, and the next thing you know, by the time they're done, you're 3 sheets to the fucking wind. So you want to pace yourself. Get your fucking olive oil here. Get your potatoes, put them in here, and we'll put some oil. And you're just going to want to rub the oil all over them. You don't want to get too sexual. Take your time with it. Make sure you got the olive oil on the bottom of this. Put this cocksucker in the oven. 1 hour. You got your fucking thyme, you got your little cherry tomatoes, you cut them in half, and then you got your potato. Now, when it gets to 15 minutes before the potatoes come out, you're going to take these fucking things, put them in the oven before, and then everything's done together, because they're going to get roasted up a little bit. Otherwise, you can just stick it up your ass. Spread some little thyme in foil, just to get the flavor of it. Put these in. And some oil. Just drizzle it. 15 minutes left for the potatoes, and the tomatoes are going to go in the oven. Fuck. Right, so we'll cut a couple of X's into these. Fucking hot. Force these open. Scoop out the middle part. We got them opened up here. Get some ricotta. Take your time. Alright, so this is it. You can make it look prettier than this. Someone with a little more patience than me, who's a little more calm, a little more thoughtful, they can make them look better. But they taste fucking great, I can tell, because they smell fucking great. Fucking awesome. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe. More potatoes and cheese. More potatoes and cheese. Potatoes and cheese. Potatoes and cheese.